Good morning to Dr. Amer. I'm Wong Rou 262750. Today, I'm going to share about Johnson & Johnson recall baby powder in 2019. Introduction. Johnson & Johnson was established by Robert James and Edward Johnson, headquartered in New Brunswick, New Jersey in 1886. Johnson & Johnson and its branches approximately have 132,200 employees throughout the world. Johnson & Johnson consists of three segments of market, which is consumer, pharmaceutical, and medical equipment. There are many cases about safety issues of Johnson & Johnson products that had happened within 1982 until 2019. Literature review. First literature review is Monica, Daisy, Huixian, Qinghan, Kai-Ching, and Mao Li, 2019. Stated role of firm management. Second literature review is Karen and Witten, 2012. Discuss some steps related ethical concerns. Third literature review is Raham Maisa, Fatun Laila, 2015. Show FDA Guidelines 21 CFR Section 210. Fourth literature review is Granville, 2002. Stresses the importance of creations and executions of successful crisis management and communication strategies by organizations. Fourth literature review is Rachel and Timothy, 2019. Found although several factors have been established that predict the risk of ovarian cancer, no factors have been shown to cause ovarian cancer, while tau has long been considered a possible causative agent for this disease. William, 2013 is a sixth literature review, concludes 21st century saw its share of ethical values, challenging real duty of ethics. Discussions. Views of stakeholders. First of all, the claim was opposed by Johnson & Johnson top management. This supported by the evidence, which is, in the public statements, Johnson & Johnson top management have asserted its tau is secure, presented by best accessible research for years to prove baby powder was free from asbestos. Next, the claim was opposed by Johnson & Johnson lawyers. This is because there are firm supplementary documents related to non-asbestos sources of identical minerals that their specialists claim baby powder is safe. Moreover, World Health Organization agreed with the claim. It was appropriate for several plaintiffs to predict the quantities consumers breathe in as buyers tested individually with contaminated talcum powder. Hence, baby powder was risky. Furthermore, Food and Drug Administration agreed with the claim. Food and Drug Administration tested one sample of lot 22318RB was realized positive towards asbestos. Thus, Johnson baby powder of 22318RB were unsafe. Last but not least, 15,000 people agree with the claim. Ms. Kim was using baby powder from 10 years old until 53 years old. Discovered she had invasive ovarian cancer 5 years ago. Therefore, baby powder was dangerous. Suggestions. One of the recommendations is Johnson & Johnson top management should begin research and development method. Baby powders include safety components could apply are cornstarch powders, tapioca starch powders, oat-flour baking soda, as well as zinc-based diaper rash creams for young babies or even toddlers. Next, Johnson & Johnson lawyers must obey Consumer Product Safety Act in the industry. Johnson & Johnson lawyers need rational and impartial to preserve community from unreasonable threats of consumer product-related harm through the Act. Moreover, World Health Organization should ban utilize of tau in health products. World Health Organization must retrieve and destroy all the baby powder, whether it is in production or has been distributed to branches around the world. Furthermore, Food and Drug Administration must call on the industry to join voluntary cosmetic registry program. There are 3 steps in VCRP, which is enrolling cosmetic producing and or packaging organizations. Second, recording cosmetic product ingredient statements CPIS. Third, altering or terminating a product formulation. Last but not least, healthcare practitioners, customers, and patients are encouraging report to FDA MedWatch Adverse Event Monitoring Program. There are 2 categories of form divided, which is FDA Form 3500 for health professional, while 500B for purchaser and casualty. In completing and submitting MedWatch online voluntary reporting form, there are several steps to either report online or download and accomplish the form, subsequently send through fax to 1800 FDA 0178. Consequences: Johnson & Johnson top management will experience credibility destroyed. This is because Johnson & Johnson top management rebuilding its credibility need a lot of time and resources. Next, Johnson & Johnson lawyers have not really helped the stakeholders who are difficulty. Johnson & Johnson lawyers cause consumers to pay huge medical costs as well as law expenses. Furthermore, strong working partnership between International Agency for Research on Cancer (IARC) and World Health Organization (WHO) failed. World Health Organization failed to prevent some customers get sick or even die without realizing threat of the product. Moreover, Food and Drug Administration (FDA) lack of oversight in regulation. Food and Drug Administration could not ensure safety of all products throughout the supply chain. Last but not least, customers will be losing their loyalty towards Johnson & Johnson. Consumers are troubled by dubious ethical practices and will seek substitute products and services. Conclusion: FDA, Food and Drug Administration had the strongest view of the stronger views of stakeholders. They demonstrated 22318RB Johnson's baby powder is positive for appetite. Food and Drug Administration also had the best recommendation to address ethical issue by request the industry to join voluntary cosmetic registry program VCRP. Johnson & Johnson top management had the most serious effect of ethical dilemma. Johnson & Johnson top management need a great deal of time and cash to rebuild reputation. Johnson & Johnson top management should follow principles of virtue ethics. If someone does not have moral virtue, he or she does not feel wrong during tells lie. Retributive justice could apply in this ethical issue. Just impositions of fines and penalties are necessary towards Johnson & Johnson top management. There should be discipline for their fault in omission lying. By and large, we can recognize the standards of Johnson & Johnson, whether it's good and evil or even right and wrong. That's all from me. Thank you.